Hi guys, well, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to go from this to this, then keep on watching. So the first things that you'll need are a comb, bottle of water, and today I'm going to be using Aunt Jackie's Curl Manetenance Defining Curl Whip. Great for 1B to 4A textures. It's also enhanced with flaxseed, shea butter, and argan oil to help soften curls, prevent dryness, and tame frizz. Give us some long-lasting hydration, I'm going to be using this Solid Up Hydrating Sealing Butter. It's good for 3A to 4D hair types, and it helps to prevent shedding, thinning, while softening, shining, and protecting hair from damage. Now what you want to do is wrap the hair around your finger all the way from the root all the way down to the end. And bam, look at that curl. Ooh. Now again, I'm just wrapping my hair all the way from the roots to the end, and boom. Now I'm just basically showing y'all again how to do this finger coil. I'm just applying the product from my roots to my ends, and now I'm just wrapping around from my root to the ends. And you don't have to make your coils little bitty. Y'all can make them any size y'all want. Now I'm just making them like medium size because the little ones take too long, but it doesn't matter. Y'all can make them any size y'all want. Now let's just speed this up a little bit. All right, boom, bam. Now look at those curls. Yes, yeah. I'm kind of feeling myself, but sadly, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll just see y'all in the next video.